Hello everyone, welcome back to Project Zomboid. Today I'm going to take the helicopter out, try to clear out the majority of zombies from the checkpoint, maybe head up to Louisville, and then I'm thinking about heading down towards the mall and see what I can do up there. This might be the last time I use the helicopter on camera. It is stupidly overpowered that you can just buy ammo for it. But yes, that is the gist. I might use it off camera or if there's like a huge horde, but I kind of want to stick my boots on the ground. It's a lot more fun that way. But in order to do that, we need to get some fuel. This helicopter is quite thirsty. So we got to move the semi from the last loot run haul that we did. I think it's still loaded with clothes and armor. Now I know killing the zombies puts them on a timer for the loot to disappear unless you can actually get to the zombie and drop it on the ground, which it makes sense. I have so much ammo and so much armor, I'm not that concerned anymore. I'm not. The weapons I have and the weapons I wanted for nostalgia or whatever, I don't use because they're the modded weapons and they're not the best thing out there, as we saw with the M60. Yeah. So here I am throwing in a bunch of ammo. I need to figure out which missiles it's counting and which ones it's not. Because I know that one missile pod set is like 100 pounds, and if that's the case, man, we could put so much ammo, bullets in here if I get rid of those missile pods. I don't understand why I can't use them. Maybe I don't have the right piece. But here we are on our way. I'm going to head over to the hospital, do a little quick sweep there, and then we're going to head south to the checkpoint. Now I do spy this survival house. I'm like, I don't remember which one I checked, so good thing I marked them off. Apparently there was nothing worthwhile in there because I don't remember that house even being there. Now there is a few on the railroad tracks I would like to clear, but not too much that I can't just go for a ride and try and clear out them with the pistol or shotgun. But take care of that one to kind of familiarize the controls of helicopter. Definitely I can tell I found the right place. A little bit of an overkill, but it's okay. We do end up taking out quite a big packs out here, so it's very helpful. I keep landing like that it seems that sometimes they don't load in, as you see, like they're fading out really fast. So I land to refresh them pretty much that level, that Z level. Seems to spawn in clusters. This particular vehicle would be very good on very high population maps. Maybe the next playthrough I will up the population and give it a go that way. Probably will, because I'm reaching a point in this playthrough that, minus the turret book I'm looking for, I pretty much have myself very well set up. I can tons of ammo, tons of food. I have sustainable food source of the eggs. With the loot tables resetting, like at the ammo stores and stuff, kind of lore breaking. Yes, I do get it. Like, you can pretty much turn it off, but here I land on the roof to see if I can put some more ammo into the helicopter, and luckily there is a flat roof. No matter what the roof is, there's always a flat section on top. The actual angles of the roof don't exist. Just a game design. I don't make the rules. But we got some more bullets in, so time to have fun a little bit. A cool plan for this vehicle would be to land someplace, throw out a high level noise maker, and then just wait. Throw out a couple of them if you have to. And just wait until they all gather. See, then I finally realized of dumping those missiles that apparently don't work with this thing. So now the carry weight of the ammo batch or bunk or whatever you want to call it, it drops from near 150 all the way down to 30. So I'm like, holy mackerel, I could buy 100 bullets at a time and then put them in there. And that's what we do. So we have lots of ammo to play with. Again, very broken, being that you can just buy the ammo. But it's a attack helicopter mod. What do you expect from it? Again, tappy tap. Try to load the zombies in. And just like opening the map up and anything else, you have to be pretty much landed in order to do the action, which is weird, but I guess it's the game design thing. I thought, and it looked a lot worse before, so unless they're all like hidden in the tents and stuff. But yeah, there's a lot to clear out car wise. Like, yeah, I could just duck down to the lower half and just drive in the grass, but if I'm gonna clear out the actual building, like actual road, not building, road, that's going to be a lot of car dismantling. Yeah, definitely need to increase the population next playthrough. Give it a go. Probably die very, very quickly. Yeah, but the playthrough kind of became monotonous when I can just do circles. I can do circles on the map and just collect ammo. But trying to get the roof to load, but it's not. So I just give up and move on. We got a helicopter, well, flying a helicopter There's a helicopter while flying a helicopter, annoying another helicopter. Well, that's a conundrum. That's quite a predicament, isn't it? I kind of see it as a good advantage though, because it's definitely going to pull everything out towards me. And see, they're already on the move, which is very helpful. And that was a cure zombie, so I'm going to land and bail out. And oh, he had the pills for prevention or slow down. So I leave the hospital. I figured I'm not going to sit there and wait forever to all of them to come out. The helicopter kind of leaves me really quick. So we're going to head north up into Louisville, whatever I want personal preference to pronounce it, and see if I can find any really big hordes, but I don't. Everything is inside buildings, just foreshadowing here. Yeah, I thought these streets would be completely swarmed. Unless they're all in buildings. It's the only thing I can think of. The construction workers on the ground there. Yeah, it's like I'm looking for clusters and nothing. There's a museum. There's a place to go get some paintings. Now, that is one of the skyscrapers or one of the higher buildings, but the helicopter can't go up high enough, so is what it is. You can tell there's something because the game lags really bad when I get near those type of buildings. Yeah, this is about the most busy I see it, and let's be honest, I can easily take care of that with the pistol. Like, I'm not really getting impressed by the amount of zombies here. Seems like a lot of them are on the outskirts. Muscle car. Yeah, there's not much going on. So I head north to the river, and if I don't see nothing like huge, phenomenally like massive horde where I can have fun with the guns, we're gonna head south. And the mall, the big mall, always seems to be really populated, no matter who's playing and what level of the population. So I figure that's a pretty good place to head south and try out. So here we are down south. I restocked on fuel, I restocked on ammo. You can see we have 200 shots of armor piercing and about 70 of high explosive. So definitely got enough firepower to do whatever we run into down here. Kind of stinks that it is at night, but it is what it is. And already this is showing bigger groups of Zeds, or zombies. than Louisville did. Like, pretty cool cars. There's a Blazer with a roof rack. That's pretty cool. Having a problem with the map loading right now, but the ambulance, we'll come back to that. Great way, if I can get the ambulance down here and just kind of park it right where I'm hovering, then I could just pull all the zombies out of the mall, in theory. Again, I'm just kind of driving around, I'm flying around looking for an entrance. Yes, I'm like, alright, I don't want them to smash the roof, and you can't shoot them, so I fly off. Hopefully they won't smash the windows. There is a way up here. There's a little access point right there. So I can't just permanently hang out up here. There is a way for you to get up here. And so I sleep for the next morning, have an idea about that. Ambulance, battery's dead, good condition, but 0 power, so I can't get it started. But of course, as typical Zomboid fashion, whenever you try to do something, heavy fog rolls in. So I give up on the ambulance because I don't have a battery. I check the cars around. All of them, either you have to break in or they're at 0 also. It has been quite a long time in this save, so makes sense. So decided to head north a little bit. I'm like, maybe I can chill out on top of the gas station here with the fog clear. I did eat my last MRE and stuff like that, so I do have well fed, but I am going to run out of food very quickly. But after hee-hawing around about it, again, more of a horde there than in Louisville. So after here, I checked to see if there's anything in a helicopter. There isn't. I don't have a goodie bag. I call up. We're just going to head back to the bunker, restock, and hit the ground next time we visit down here. Thanks for watching.